I didn't say anything. I just said you need to
Yes,
make a
you did.
plea.
You
So you
gave
wish
me
to,
one. You're
Ms.
trying to hang
Harris,
up on me. Yes, you are. You're trying to be rude and hang up on me like I'm rude and I'm slow and I'm not. It's
to
not difficult, sir. I said too. I don't want to go back and forth with you.
Ms.
You're talking to
Harris,
me like I'm slow or incompetent.
the court is
No,
not
yes,
suggesting
yes,
that you're
because you're
slow in
talking to me
any.
like.
I very much would have liked to see today's Karen while she was going off on poor Magistrate William Urich, who was just trying to get through his day and this hearing. But we don't get to see Karen because Karen is on the phone. That presents an additional problem, though. Her problem, which is that she has no way to show the court her newly acquired tags, and she wrongly assumes the court wants to wait for some email to trickle in from her. It gets worse from there. It's short, but it's delicious. Let's roll, nerds.
All right, the court calls case number 25, RO 04585. This is people of the city of Royal Oak versus Divya Larzetta Harris. That's you?
Yes, that's me.
Ms. Harris, today's the date and time set for an informal hearing. An informal hearing is non-criminal in nature. Nobody goes to jail today on this traffic ticket, but it is serious enough that Officer Gertler did issue the citation on the date in question. Ms. Harris, the date in question.
I don't want to think it doesn't say which ticket it was. It just say the date I supposed to appear for court, but I know I had set a court date for a
Yes,
ticket
that's
that
what
they
the
just
court is
told me
trying to
do.
explain to you. Today is a date for your informal hearing. On
Oh no, I know that. I'm trying to see which ticket though, because I had set a date for 2 different court dates, but they said that I just had to bring the picture up and he would cancel the ticket. And then one was to get my tags, but I had already had my tags, but somebody stole my tags. And he said to replace it.
Ms. Harris, the
and to
court is
bring it.
required to first read the citation into the record. So if you would permit the
Oh,
court
okay.
to speak, thank you. On on July 14th of this year at 9:15 in the evening, you were said to be operating a 2008 Ford, black in color, on Woodward Avenue and near Lincoln in the city of Royal Oak. And at that particular point in time, it was found that your vehicle plate had expired on your birthday last January. So the citation is a non-moving 0-point violation of expired plates. You have 3 options. You may admit responsibility in this manner. The court will attach the fine and that'll close the case. You may admit responsibility, but with an explanation that you believe mitigates your circumstances. If the registration has been renewed, it would be great to be able to see that. Or your third option is to deny responsibility, which would mean you're swearing under oath that the plate was valid in July, and we will swear the parties and conduct a trial. What do you wish the court to do for you?
I was instructed by the officer to do the second option. My plate, I have my tags, and he just said present a picture, and then he would throw it out. That's what the officer said. But I'm saying the second option.
Ms. Harris, the court has no idea what the officer said or didn't say. What the court is required.
You can pull the video because he said he was going to be here today.
Ms. Harris, please listen. The officer is here. Stop talking over the court, and we can conduct the hearing as fairly as possible. Please, when the court is speaking, do not speak over the court. Otherwise, we have a very confusing record for any potential appeal purposes. So please listen carefully. You have 3 options and 3 options only. Before we talk about what an officer said or didn't say, whether somebody stole tags or not, before we get into any of that, the court has to take a plea. So please listen carefully. You can admit responsibility, or you may admit responsibility and explain, or if you believe you are not responsible, you have every right to deny responsibility and will conduct a brief trial. But before you explain anything, you must choose one of those options. Admit and explain, or deny responsibility. Please select.
Number 2 option, you just said if I renewed it, you would like to see it. Number 2.
I didn't say anything. I just said you need to make a plea. So you
gave me 1, 2, and 3.
Ms. Harris.
You're trying to hang up on me. Yes, you are. You're trying to be rude and hang up on me like I'm rude and I'm slow and I'm not. You said 1, 2, and 3, which my birthday is 1, 2, 3. So I understand. Yes, sir. 2.
Harris?
You gave me 3 options. I said 2, sir.
All right, so
From the
you're
first time you was playing. 2.
Ms. Harris, I know it's difficult.
It's not difficult, sir. I said 2. I don't want to go back and forth with you. You're grown. You're in charge.
You're not going to go back and forth with this court, Ms. Harris.
I'm not. 2.
You wish to confirm that on the date in question, you were operating a motor vehicle in the city of Royal Oak with an expired tag? Yes or no?
Yes, that happened, sir.
I'm sorry?
Yes, that happened, sir.
All right, thank you. The court accepts your plea. And what would you like the court to know, Ms. Harris?
I didn't say I put in a plea. I said that I admit.
Yes, that is a plea of responsible, Ms. Harris. What
Okay,
else
well, is the officer there? Because I have the tag, sir. I have never went through this much. It's a California call, which is a conspiracy related case. It's been 15 stops. I said number 2, sir. I have my tags. It's
All
either
right,
you can.
that's fine, Ms. Harris. Can you display
okay, I feel like you're being biased, sir. I would probably like to switch courts to a different court date. I feel like you're being biased. Yes. Everything is on recording, sir. Yes, I feel like you're being biased. I would like to. I don't feel comfortable at all. I feel like you're being biased, and I would like to switch court dates because the officer did not tell me this or the other call or no other.
You have already confirmed that you admitted responsibility. The court is simply asking.
But you're biased, sir. You're talking to me like I'm slow or incompetent.
No, Ms. Harris. If anything, you're not slow. You're too fast because you're speaking over the court. So the court is not suggesting that you're slow in any regard.
I'm illiterate.
Ms. Harris, we are conducting an informal hearing. Each and every word is being recorded. So the record will speak for itself, but the court is asking now.
You said 1, 2, 3, right? You gave me 3 options, and you said 13 people were on the call, right?
Ms. Harris.
Okay. 13 is when I got raped, and they've been trolling it for 2 years. It's on the record, right? 1, 2, 3 is my birthday. Thank you. Yes.
Ms. Harris,
I got raped at 13, and they were trolling it for 2 years. You the third court.
Can you please display, Ms. Harris? Can you please
it's on the record.
Ms. Harris? Can you please display your license registration?
My license plate is outside on the car. This is not video. I'm on a telephone call. So do you want me to send it into an email just like the court?
The court appreciates everything that you've suggested, Ms. Harris. Please stand by. The court imposes
I didn't suggest anything, sir. I didn't suggest anything. I asked a question. My plate is outside.
The court can't see through your telephone, Ms. Harris. So at this time, the court is assessing a $45 minimum state fee.
I have email.
That is due
okay, well, I would like to put in a motion. Okay, no, I would like to put in a motion because I have it renewed. And that's not what the officer told me. And last time, Roseville and every other court let me use email.
Ms.
I don't have to let you in my phone due to my phone being hacked.
Today was your day in court. Officer Gertler.
No, that's okay. Well, I would like to put in a motion, sir. I would like to put in a motion.
No, I don't have anything further.
I'm going to pay the $45.
Ms. Harris, the fine is $45. That is
I'm going to pay the $45. I would like to put in a motion. The last time I was able to put in a motion. Yes. So that's what you're doing.
The court does not recognize your motion.
Yeah, I can pay the $45 with no problem, sir. But you just trolled rape at 13 years old. Yes, and you trolled my birthday. No, it's on record.
Thank you.